RentWiki is more than just great leads, it's a social media solution as well. How's that? Well, we all know rental peeps are searching online for places to live. But they want more than just your apartment info. They want the scoop on your neighborhood, and that is what RentWiki does. Check it out.
So I was searching in Atlanta for a neighborhood to move to, and I wanted to find out what other people were saying about the Virginia Highlands. And I went on RentWiki and found pros and cons and all about the social scene and other stuff.
And actual reviews of the neighborhood. And like the ShamWow guy says, but wait, there's more! How about the social scene, rental prices, transportation, and even photos and videos? Then there's their rental advice and tips, pet stuff, things to do, and, well, you get it. And here's the kicker. You can have all this content on your website for free. That's right, free. Take a look. So, Gables Residential, being the uber smart people they are, wanted to add this great content to their site. We said, okay, take it. They added a neighborhood info link and voila! RentWiki's Superfly system sends whatever content and widgets you want, including your walk score, Eventful, videos of the hood, and tons more. So, let's do a recap. 1. It's keeping the visitor on the site longer. 2. It's creating a much more valuable and qualified lead through their own guest card, because they're reading all of this dynamic neighborhood content. And 3. It's increasing this website's search engine optimization. Oh, and guess what? We'll even list your properties on RentWiki.com for free. Yes, all of this is free. If we happen to deliver a lead to your property through RentWiki.com, it's only $12. And we review every lead to ensure we're only charging for the legit ones. I mean, is this a no-brainer or what, people? Hey, yo, rental review is a little rocky for your property? Bam! We've got you covered. RentWiki's Reviews Done Right program generates 75% positive apartment reviews, as opposed to the other guy's 80% negative. And this is completely opt-in. It's here if you want it, kind of like the pool guy in a Speedo. It's a fantastic tool when you're ready to join the conversation and start a powerful feedback loop between you and your residents. And you can respond right away while soaking up over 75% positive reviews for your properties. So, you ready to rock this thing like a rolling stone? Give us a shout by emailing us at startmeup@rentwiki.com.